Hello guys, this is Amit Kumar from Zero Tips, and today I'm going to show you how to stop a Spotify from opening on a startup in Windows 10. Okay, so let's do it. First of all, go to the Windows search and type a Spotify. Now open the Spotify app. Now on the Spotify app, click on this three dot button and then select edit. And now from here, click on the preferences option. Okay, and once you are in the settings window, simply scroll down and then click on the show advanced setting button. Okay, now again scroll down and then under the startup and Windows behavior section, you will see an option called open a Spotify automatically after your login into the computer. So from the drop down menu here, simply you have to click on this and select no. Okay, and once you disable this option, a Spotify will not open on the Windows 10 startup. Now if this method doesn't work for you, you can follow the next method. And the next method is simply right click on the Windows taskbar and then select Task Manager option. Now on the Task Manager window, go to the Startup tab and then here you can see the Spotify is available here. Okay, so simply right click on it and then select Disable option. Once you disable the Spotify on the Task Manager startup, it will no longer open when your computer starts. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.